The collaborative robotic solution is robots that are designed to operate in the proximity of people.
We actually go in and look at what the customer's needs are and develop a custom solution to solve their problem.
Traditionally, robots have always required guarding. You wanted to keep your distance from robots because they're a dangerous piece of equipment if they're not used correctly.
There are mechanical engineers who design the whole cell, where the robot should be, where the panel should be, where everything should be laid out physically.
The collaborative robots are designed to work with people, sense forces, and to understand if they have come in contact with someone that they're working with.
So we can provide a solution for a wide array of slow-moving kind of products, and with a collaborative robotic solution that doesn't impact a lot of floor space for the customer, and it doesn't impact a lot of operational change for the customer.
So you start with your risk assessment and understand your tasks at hand, make sure that they're acceptable for the collaborative robots, and then when you deploy a collaborative robot solution, it frees you up from having guarding, which gives you more floor space on the manufacturing floor, in the laboratory, or in your assembly environment.
A lady came to me and she said, "Why do you put these robots? Do you think they're better than us? Do you think they're better than human beings?" I said, "No, I don't. That's definitely not how I think about it." I said, "My job is to automate this so that I save your back and I protect you and other people from getting hurt."
Palletizing in general, whether it's industrial or collaborative, is definitely an ergonomic benefit for the employee. It's not about reducing jobs or anything of that nature. It's about saving somebody's back for doing a tedious job all day long with some heavy lifting.
To be able to move those individuals into higher value tasks like visual inspection, something that requires more dexterity with your hands to assemble a part, and put things together, rather than just brute force lifting and putting down, stacking and unstacking cases all day, does a couple of things for them. One, it's a safety preventative aspect, because now that employee is not going to see back injuries or stress and strain. But two, that employee gets the opportunity to learn the robotics, be able to become a higher skilled individual, as well as be able to work on higher value added tasks within that operation.
So as a custom integrator, it seems like we solve a new problem with every job. And that keeps it exciting. We have a really great workforce of highly skilled people, which part of it is to do the constant problem solving. But at the same time, it's nice to have a product that you can deploy and on a fairly rapid basis and solve a multitude of customers' needs with pretty much a basic solution.
And when that solution actually works, that's the joy, not only for the customer, that's the joy for us and what we do. And that's what keeps us going back for the next one.
Well, it makes sense, right? If you want your place to be using first robots to automate stuff, but also you want a safe place at the same time. So you would use one of our collaborative robots so that it does the thing and you still use the space completely, because if it's safe, you can move around it, right? If by any chance it touches anything, it stops. And then, you can make it start again. The other robots, they are too dangerous and you have to fence them out and have things around them, and that takes space and, it's not as flexible. I use RoboGuide and all these software so that the robot moves correctly and picks things up and places them in the right spot. And we do simulations ahead of time to make sure the robot is actually doing what it's supposed to do. And afterward, we actually download to the robot, test it over and over again to make sure that, everything we simulated is actually true in reality. And finally, we commission it.